or if you wanted to make this as your kids' room. So whenever or whatever you want to do, I'm with you. We have the expensive shrimp. So look at that. This is the fish pan of the shrimp. A spectacular daddy. So this is the very handsome owner of this house, Mr. Robinson. You will be meeting with him soon if you're going to buy and sign the contract, right, daddy? Oh, look at this. Oh, look at that. Good afternoon, my dear peeps. Welcome to Living in Dumaguete. Once again, this is your trusted real estate agent here in Dumaguete, Alma Almonte Fulco. For today's vlog, my peeps, I am very excited to show you this beautiful home that I acquired for today's vlog. The reason is that this property has everything that my buyers are looking for. So, this property has a lot area of 1,190 square meter, floor area of 200 square meter, plus a 59 square meter of car park, and you can consider it also as your gym if you wanted to. This property also has a 20 solar panels plus 10 kVA diesel generator. And this house also has a swimming pool, and it has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and semi-furnished. So, what are you waiting, my dear peeps? I'm very excited to show you the inside and the swimming pool and the other features of this home. So, tara! The owner have built this beautiful watchtower, which is 3-story. So as you can see, we parked there 2 motorbikes. This is 59 square meter. You can park 2 to 3 cars here and motorbikes, or as of the time, the owner have put his gym equipment here. This generator will light the entire house with the 4 bedrooms, air conditions, and also the 2 air conditions in the sala and in the kitchen, and the swimming pool. So it powers the entire house, so you don't have a problem with your electricity too. It is because we have 20 solar panels, which is located on top to this parking lot that is placed in there. So the house has also a covered parking that you can park 2 cars, which is here. Okay, I'm sorry about the car. This is my car. I don't even know how to drive. Right, so you can park 2 cars. It's being covered here. And then, yeah, in the other side, well, you can make it like a gym, or you can add a bedroom, whatever. Anything you want. Okay, let's go. I'm going to show you the main house right now. So let's go. All right, so let's go to the main house. Okay, so let's go to see the main house. Oh, wow. Look at all this painting, my dear peeps. Look at that. Very beautiful. Oh, look at that brand new 3 horsepower air conditioner. And this is a TV that is very huge. It comes with a sale as well. And this is the living area here. Oh, God. It's nice. Oh, this is also brand new. This beautiful rattan chair couch is brand new. Isn't it nice? This is very beautiful. Look at that. Very comfortable. I'm so comfy here. It's not hot today, so that is great. Anyway, let's continue, and I'm gonna show you the dining area and also the kitchen. So let's go. So the dining area here has 6 seaters, and it is square. And then we have also a brand new air conditioner. This is 2 horsepower, which is also directly has an access going to the sparkling swimming pool outside that I'm going to show you later. So this is the kitchen area of the house. Look at that, big. So you have a lot of counter space where you're cooking. We have big refrigerator, and we have a new La Germania, which is your wife or you yourself can cook anytime you like, because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 burners, and this refrigerator is also big. So also, this is the laundry area of this property. So when you are going to wash, you just don't need to go out, just directly wash here inside. And we have also a door here directly to the parking lot. So let's go. I'm gonna introduce to you the king's room or master bedroom. So this is the master's bedroom, which has also a brand new air conditioner for this room. So this is the king size bed, and this is the walk-in bathroom and walk-in closet. So let's try their water pressure. See, oh my, so that's cold, and when you push it like that, it is hot. So it is hot and cold. All right, and then this is the wardrobe of the owner. And oh my god, I really have to have this big bathtub in my house, but unfortunately I don't have the money for a bathtub, so I'm just gonna use a tabo. I don't know what tabo means. This is the second bedroom that has also a brand new air conditioner, and then you have the beautiful cabinet here, and it has new, this is new painted house, so just recently being painted. So this can be your office, this can be your kids room, or can be your music room. Imagine this is a nice, I don't want to touch it, but if you have guests, friends, or if you're gonna do that as an office, you can just directly access to the common bathroom of this house. And now I'm going to introduce to you the guest bedroom. So this is the guest bedroom of this house. It has also a brand new air conditioner, and we have a big windows here that you can directly access the outside view of the house. We have a cabinet here which is built in, so you cannot remove it. Lots of spaces here that you can place your clothes, whatever you are going to place in this cabinet. And you can also put your makeup here for your guest, or if you wanted to make this as your kids room. So whenever or whatever you want to do, I'm with you. All right guys, so we're going now to the most important part of the house, which is that you can enjoy the leisure of your swimming. So that's the swimming pool. So let's go. The owner of this house built this small fish pond for him to have, you know, fresh seafood. So here you have two kois. You don't eat kois, of course, but this is for, you know, decoration. And here he has tilapia. So there are small tilapias here that he breed. So if it grows, he can cook it. Here too, there's also fish, but I don't know what is the name of this fish, but you can just pick and then cooked. And here we have the expensive shrimp. So look at that. This is the fish pan of the expensive shrimp. I forgot the name of this shrimp, but this is expensive. Oh, look guys. Right. Oh, I am a chef fruit while you are here at the back of the house. If you wanted to swim, you can see this beautiful sparkling swimming pool. You can grill while you're enjoying this beautiful sparkling swimming pool. This is the pump house here. We have here all the things for the swimming pool filtrations. So when you're here, you have a very sparkling swimming pool. It's very hot as of the time. So, oh, okay, I'm enjoying my sunbathing. Oh my God, my skin. Alright, my dear people, so thank you so much for watching our vlog for today. Before we end this vlog, I would like to inform you that the price of this property in dollars is $345,000, and in peso, it is 20 million. And of course, my dear peeps, this property has no problem with the right-of-way or any problems with documentations, because this is only a single ownership. So it is only one person to sign this property. What are you waiting for, my dear peeps? Please don't forget to contact me if you wanted to have a private viewing for this home. I'm very excited and happy to assist you to have a private tour. So just please contact me below and I will be replying your inquiries anytime of the day. So thank you so much, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our vlog so you are gonna be notified with our future vlog. And I love you. Mwah! Thank you.